Hi and welcome. This is the final project and this is the site admin. First, I'm going to make sure that a welcome message will appear in every single page of this site. Okay, it is shown. Also, we have the admin page where you can update your account, can manage products, and also you can change or delete your comments or reviews that you had. Okay, so it shows all the information. You can save new reviews in here. Let's say nice, and it will appear in the admin, and it would also be saved in the reviews. Nice. Let's see. We're going to validate, no error. Okay, no errors or warnings. That's perfect. Also, we can scale this page and it will show all the information without making it look awful. Okay, so it works. Let's see. Another thing that is required is to update your review was updated. Okay, it shows the message, and yes, it was updated and it was saved also in here. And the last part will be to delete. So it will show you the message you want to delete. You can return to your profile or delete, and it would show you the message your review was deleted. That's perfect. So that's basically what we had for this final project. And log out, and you can see that everything else can be seen. If you have one user or two, you can try that. So thank you for watching.